Do you struggle with weight loss despite trying every diet and exercise routine out there? Feel like your metabolism is holding you back? It's a common challenge for many people, but the good news is there's a solution: Java Burn. This revolutionary all-natural powder turns your daily coffee into a powerful fat-burning machine, giving your metabolism the boost it needs to help you shed those extra pounds. So, what is Java Burn? It's a tasteless powder that dissolves instantly into your coffee, made from natural ingredients like green tea extract, chromium, and L-carnitine. These scientifically backed components work together to ignite your metabolism, reduce cravings, and improve your overall energy levels, all while enjoying your favorite cup of coffee. Unlike other supplements, Java Burn is easy to use, fits seamlessly into your morning routine, and helps you burn fat all day long. Here's how Java Burn works. When combined with coffee, its unique formula enhances your body's metabolic activity by targeting fat cells and helping your body convert them into energy more efficiently. Ingredients like chlorogenic acid from green coffee beans slow down carbohydrate absorption, while chromium stabilizes blood sugar levels to curb hunger spikes. Together, they create a perfect synergy, making it easier for your body to burn calories and prevent fat storage. Many users report incredible results with Java Burn. Imagine waking up energized, seeing a leaner reflection in the mirror, and feeling confident in your clothes again. Not only does it support weight loss, but it also enhances mental clarity, balances your mood, and promotes overall well-being. The best part, it's vegetarian, gluten-free, and made in an FDA-approved facility, so you can trust its quality and safety. Java Burn also comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee, making it completely risk-free to try. Don't let a sluggish metabolism hold you back any longer. Take charge of your weight loss journey today. Click the link in the description to order your supply of Java Burn now. Start transforming your coffee and your life with Java Burn. Don't wait. Your healthier, more energized future begins today.